Children, welcome back. So, in this video, we are going to continue the same lesson, Sports Stars, Section 2. So, in the Section 1, we have learned about the Indian women cricket player Mithali Dureraj, isn't it? And in this video, in this Section 2, we are going to learn about the Kabaddi player Usha Rani. Okay. So, let's move to the Section 2. So, before that, let us all learn the glossary from the Section 2. ஷாண்டி டவுன் எ புவர் ஏரியா குடிசை நகரம் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஷாண்டி டவுன்னா ஒரு புவர் ஏரியா, ரொம்ப ஒரு ஏழ்மையான மக்கள் குடிசையில் வாழ்கிற அந்த ஏரியாவுக்கு பேர் தான் ஷாண்டி டவுன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அன்ஃபுல்ஃபில்டு, அன்ரியலைஸ்டு, நிறைவேறாமல் இருக்கிற ஒரு கனவு. அன்ஃபுல்ஃபில்டுனா நிறைவேறாமல் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ப்ராமினன்ட், நோட்டிசபிள், இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் அப்படின்னா ப்ராமினன்ட்னா ஒரு முக்கியமான, வெரி ஃபேமஸான ஒரு அப்படின்னா ஒரு ப்ராமினன்ட்னா முக்கியமானன்னு அர்த்தம். டிட்டர்மைண்ட், வில் பவர்டு, தீர்மானிக்கப்படுகிறது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, ஸோ லெட்ஸ் மூவ் டு த லெசன் நவ். So now we are going to learn about the Kabaddi player Usha Rani. Okay, Usha Rani, a Copcom Kabaddi champion, rose from shanty town of Subadar Palaya in Yeshwantpur near Bangalore in Karnataka. So actually Usha Rani is a cop. A cop means police. Okay, she's a cop, and she started playing kabaddi. Actually her passion is to become a kabaddi player. Okay, so she born and brought up in the Subhadar Palya in Yeshwantpur near Bangalore in Karnataka. So she born in Karnataka state, and in at யஷ்வந்த்பூர் அப்படின்ற ஒரு அந்த ஏரியாவில் தான் அவங்க பிறந்தது வளர்ந்தது எல்லாமே. ஷாண்டி டவுன்னா ரொம்ப ஒரு ஏழ்மையான ஒரு கிராமத்துலேருந்து வந்தவங்க யார், உஷா ராணி. பிகாஸ் ஷி கேம் ஃப்ரம் த ஷாண்டி டவுன் ஆஃப் சுதர் பாலையா இன் யஷ்வந்த்பூர். ஓகே, so she born in a very poor family, and but even though she became a very popular player in kabaddi. Armed with her father's unfulfilled dream to become an athlete, she became determined and practiced kabaddi at the Kantiswara Stadium every morning, rain or shine. So actually, Usha Rani's father's dream is to make her to become an athlete. ஓகே, அவருடைய கனவு என்னன்னா தன்னுடைய மகளை வந்து ஒரு அத்லட்னா நல்லா ஒரு ரன்னராக ஆக்கணும் அப்படின்னு தான் அவருக்கு ஒரு கனவு. பட் உஷா ராணி வாண்ட்ஸ் டு பிகம் அ கபடி பிளேயர். ஷி வாண்ட்ஸ் டு பிகம் அன் கபடி பிளேயர். ஓகே, so our aim is to become a kabaddi player instead of becoming athlete. Okay, but whose unfulfilled dream is her father's dream to make her to become an athlete. So every morning she goes to Kantirava Stadium every morning, whether it is raining or shining. She used to go to the ground to take practice kabaddi. Okay, so மழை வந்தாலும் சரி வெயில் வந்தாலும் சரி, she used to go to the stadium every morning to take practice. To become what? To become a kabaddi player. As a school child, she grew up watching kabaddi at a club in front of her house, and soon joined the club and started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. So when she was a child, ஒரு சின்ன பொண்ணா இருக்கும்போது she started watching kabaddi every day. When she was a small kid, when she was a small girl, she started watching kabaddi every day. Why? Because her passion is to become a kabaddi player. Okay, so that after that she joined to the club, started playing kabaddi at national level in sub junior category. So after that there was in front of her house there is a club. What is a club is to train the children to become a kabaddi player. So she joined in the club, and she took a great practice, and then she became a kabaddi player for sub junior category. So in sub junior category la avanga vandu India la select aagi she started playing kabaddi for India. Okay, whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents and other at home. She used to sell flowers for her daily living, and she had to struggle all through her life. So after playing, whenever she's free, she used to support her family, like selling the flowers in the market. Okay, because she's not rich enough, because her family is not rich enough, so that after playing, when she's feeling free, she used to help her family members to sell flowers in the market. Okay, and living, and she had to struggle all through her life, because she was not born in a wealthy family. in a rich family. She born in a very poor family, so that she had to help her parents, isn't it? She came out from the very poor family, very poor category, very poor background, until she got a job in Karnataka State Police Force. Okay, so before joining in the police department, she was helping her family to sell flowers in the market. Okay, actually, I told you already. She's a cop. Cop means what? Police. She's a police in Karnataka state, and she became very popular in Karnataka. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports and was the youngest in Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. So how she was selected for the state of police? How she was selected as a police for Karnataka state because of her outstanding performance in kabaddi. Because I told you already that she is very interested in playing kabaddi, isn't it? So because of that, she got a lot of medals, and because of that, the government offered her a job to join in the police department. So finally, she joined in the department, and still now she serves in that police department in Karnataka. And finally, she joined in the kabaddi for, and also she's playing for India in kabaddi team. She was just 20 years old when she won a gold medal in kabaddi. So when she was just 20 years old, she won the gold medal in the kabaddi. So கபடியில் வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஒரு கோல்டு மெடல் வின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. எப்போ 29 வயசுல. She is much acclaimed for her riding skill in kabaddi. So she is very talented in playing kabaddi. So I told you already, riding என்னது அப்படியே அந்த பாடிட்டே போவாங்க பார்த்தியா கபடியில். So that is called riding. She is very good at riding, and the opponent will be scared of her. Okay. E.S. Sumant, officer at Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board, says, despite a well-paid job, Usha participated in national events every year without a miss. Okay, so even though she earns a lot of money from the police department, but she is participating in kabaddi every year for India, for Indian team. So even though I told you already, she already works in the police department, isn't it? Even though she is working in the police department, she is playing for India in kabaddi team. Okay. So every year she participates in the kabaddi game. She is an expert in giving leads, riding opponents, and constantly playing a prominent role in the Indian kabaddi team. So I told you already, in the kabaddi team, she is very outstanding player. Okay, so the opponent will be scared of her when she is riding, when she is crossing the line. The opponent will be scared of her because she is riding very fast. She is giving expert in leads. Okay, she is expert in giving leads and riding. அவங்க வந்து அந்த கபடியில் உள்ளே வரும்பொழுது அவங்களுடைய லீடும் சரி, அவங்க பாடுற அந்த அந்த கபடின்னு பாடுறது, அது எல்லாமே வந்து பர்ஃபெக்டாக இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் ஷீ இஸ் வெரி குட் அட் இட், ஷீ இஸ் வெரி குட் இன் பிளேயிங் கபடி. ஸோ தட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் ஷி பிகேம் வெரி வெரி ப்ராமினென்ட் பிளேயர் இன் த வேர்ல்ட். Usha Rani is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. So actually 2008 is already gone. So she was actually working hard to practice every day and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. So 2018 நடக்கிற அந்த ஏஷியன் கேம்ஸ்க்காக அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. She is working so hard to get the gold medal. But actually 2018 is already gone. So who won the Asian game? யார் வின் பண்ணாங்கன்னா, அவங்க வந்து ஒரு வேற கண்ட்ரி பிளேயர் வின் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பட் ஷி ஒன் silver medal. Okay, she won the silver medal. She has also become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and other fellow sports person. So she's a great inspiration. She's a great inspiration for everyone in the world, isn't it? For everyone in the country. And also she became a good role model to her brothers and sisters at home. அவங்க வீட்டில் இருக்கிற பிரதர்ஸ்க்கும் சிஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கும் she became a great role model for everyone at her home. And also for fellow sports persons. Okay, யாரெல்லாம் விளையாடுறாங்களோ, யாரெல்லாம் வீட்டில் இருக்கிறாங்களோ, சிஸ்டர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், பிரதர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், she became a role model to everyone. Okay children, this is what about the kabaddi player Usha Rani. Okay, So let's continue the section 3 in the next video.